Gray or white hair is an inevitable process which is a result of aging, but if it happens too early, it can be a problem. We do have ways to cover the grays, including the conventional hair dyes, but they contain harmful chemicals which can prove to be dangerous in the long run. It can lead to hair fall, hair loss, or can adversely affect your health. The better alternative to combat premature graying of hair issue is to use natural home remedies. The home remedies are far more effective to get rid of gray hair and make the hair follicle healthier too. In this video, we're going to present you a very effective remedy that can prevent gray hair by nourishing your scalp and protecting the base of your hair follicles. Black seed, lemon juice and amla powder for gray hair. Black seed is very effective in preventing and reversing graying hair. It prevents the depletion of the pigment cells in your follicles. It is an effective treatment for people who suffer from vitiligo, a skin condition where patches of skin lose their pigment over time. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. All these nutrients can make the hair follicles healthy and strong. Indian gooseberry or amla is also an excellent remedy for treating premature gray hair. Process: in a small bowl, squeeze out the juice from one fresh lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of amla powder to it and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of black seed powder to it and mix well again. You can powder the black seed using a grinder. Apply it evenly throughout your scalp and hair. A shower cap can be helpful to prevent the dye from dripping. Let it remain for 2 hours. When the 2 hours are up, wash out completely with shampoo. Do this once a week.